Centrifugal pumps are mechanical devices that use centrifugal force to transport fluids from one location to another. They are widely used in various industries, including water supply, wastewater treatment, oil and gas, chemical, and pharmaceutical industries. The working principle of a centrifugal pump can be explained in the following steps. 1. Impeller. The centrifugal pump has an impeller, which is a rotating component with curved blades that spins within a stationary housing or casing. The impeller is mounted on a shaft that is connected to an electric motor or some other source of power. 2. Suction. When the impeller rotates, it creates a low-pressure area or suction at the center, which draws fluid into the pump through the inlet or suction pipe. The fluid then enters the impeller at the eye or center of the impeller. 3. Centrifugal force. As the fluid enters the impeller, it is immediately thrown outward by the curved blades of the impeller. This generates centrifugal force, which pushes the fluid towards the outer edge of the impeller. 4. Pressure. As the fluid is pushed towards the outer edge of the impeller, it also gains kinetic energy and velocity. This kinetic energy is then converted into pressure energy as the fluid exits the impeller and enters the volute or diffuser. 5. Volute or diffuser. The volute or diffuser is a stationary component that surrounds the impeller and helps to convert the kinetic energy of the fluid into pressure energy. The volute or diffuser is designed to slow down the velocity of the fluid and increase its pressure. 6. Discharge. The fluid then exits the volute or diffuser through the discharge or outlet pipe and is transported to its desired location. The pressure of the fluid at the outlet of the pump is determined by the design of the impeller, volute, and other components of the pump. In summary, the centrifugal pump works by creating a low-pressure area at the center of the impeller, which draws fluid into the pump through the inlet pipe. The impeller then uses centrifugal force to push the fluid towards the outer edge of the impeller, converting its kinetic energy into pressure energy. The fluid then exits the pump through the outlet pipe, where it can be transported to its desired location.